right foot and hold, left foot and hold, right foot, stop there again. You and me, use your right foot goes forward, right foot, now turn and use your left foot. The left foot, turn front and use your right foot. The right foot, good, that much again. Again, you and me, right foot, now the left, left foot, now the right, right foot, and stand, point, no, count right, 1, 2, 3, look, 1, 2, 3, turn right to your right, and boom, boom, okay, now here, come back, which way do we turn? You and me, the right foot, now the left foot, now the right foot, stamp on it, stand, point, no, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, turn your partner, da, and da, good, again, do the whole thing again, and point to your partner, you and me, put the foot in. You, put your foot back, and me, now right foot, turn left, now left foot, now right foot, stamp, and point. No, go to the right, count. 1, 2, 3, and turn to the front, and da. Questions? No? When you're going to go to the right, your right elbow. When you go to the left, your left elbow. Okay, again, that much again. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. You and me, the right foot, now the left foot, now the right foot, stamp, you go, stamp, point, no, count. 1, 2, 3, look, 1, 2, turn, da. You and me, here we go, point. You and me, the right foot, now the left foot, now the right foot, and stamp, point. No, count. 1, 2, 3, and 1, turn front. Okay. I'm going to tell you, on the CD, if you have the CD, our CD does the first verse twice, it does the second verse once, it does the third verse once, and it adds a verse we don't do, and then it does the hyena twice. So as soon as Quentin records it, then I'll get those out to you. First verse one more time and we'll try it. And then everybody's going to dance with the boy tonight. Here we go. Ready? And you and me. The right foot, now the left foot, now the right foot, stamp, point, no, count, look to your right, and look to your right, turn, 1 and 2, here we go, you and me, right foot, the left foot, the right foot, stamp, point, no, go right, 1,